Respect the institution.
It's just an
This is not about Jinggoy. We're going out. No, don't leave him right here. He can be arrested right there. If you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory, ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. Let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. You can arrest him right now. Sir! You can arrest him. This is the Senate. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. No, I did not. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. Sir, that's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, kumahay ka na lang. Kumahay ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door.
Sir, nakunan kayo ni Sir SP Alan Pagkayatano na parang medyo nagtatalo pa kayo. Was he requesting for you not to arrest him?
No. The question was whether yung separation of the executive and the judiciary and the legislative. Sabi niya, even at the time of Salonga, he protected Enrile. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped. Okay, next.
So ano ibig sabihin? Wala na.
Yes.
You honor yung ganong separation?
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest. But my side was that nung nakawala si Bato, you lost that privilege already of having protected custody.
Sir, you have the warrant of arrest issued by Kajigan Bayan Division, criminal case number E-SB26-TRD-006 for the crime of plunder under Republic Act 78 SMFA, signed by Honorable Zaldi B. Trespeses, Chairperson of the Association. Sir, being accused, you have also rights. May karapatan ka man ng himik at magsawalang hibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa hukuman. May karapatan na ka rin kumuha ng sarili ng abogado o tagapagtanggol nang naayon sa iyong nakis. Kung walang kakayahan, ang pamahalaan ng pagkakaluban ka na tag-isa. Lahat pa ng mga karapatan niyo sa rin ang gawain. Wait.